In evaluating both platforms, it's essential to consider the target audience for your website. If your primary focus is on a visually stunning online presence, Webflow's design-centric approach aligns well with your goals. Its ability to provide intricate designs with minimal coding appeals greatly to creative professionals who desire control over every aspect of their site's aesthetics. For those who favor content management and versatility, WordPress shines with its robust support for blogs and extensive plugin repository. It allows users to create a variety of sites from simple blogs to comprehensive e-commerce platforms, all while benefiting from a rich selection of themes tailored to diverse industries. The vast community surrounding WordPress means that resources, forums, and tutorials are always available for troubleshooting or innovative ideas. When considering the long-term viability of your chosen platform, scalability becomes a pivotal aspect. WordPress's open-source nature means that as your business grows, you can easily find and implement additional features, plugins, or themes tailored to your evolving needs. This adaptability ensures that you won't outgrow the platform, regardless of how ambitious your projects may become. Conversely, Webflow, while excellent for immediate design sophistication, may present limitations as you scale, particularly for larger e-commerce solutions or complex customizations, requiring careful planning to avoid costly transitions later. As you forge ahead, remember to weigh how your selected platform will accommodate your future business aspirations. Comparing performance, it's clear that both platforms have their strengths. WordPress benefits from a vast hosting network, allowing for optimized loading speeds across numerous service providers. This means you can select a host that best fits your performance needs, potentially increasing site speed significantly. Webflow, on the other hand, optimizes site performance by building them on a powerful infrastructure directly, ensuring fast loading times right out of the gate. However, any substantial growth in traffic may require re-evaluation of Webflow's capabilities to handle scaling, thus affecting overall performance. Ultimately, the choice between these platforms hinges on your specific performance expectations and traffic demands. Additionally, when we look at customization capabilities, it's important to highlight how each platform approaches this aspect differently. WordPress offers an extensive library of themes and plugins that cater to virtually every conceivable need, making it a powerful option for users who want to tailor their site without limits. Meanwhile, Webflow's customization is deeply embedded within its design interface, allowing for pixel-perfect adjustments that amateur designers might find thrilling, yet intimidating. This balance of control versus complexity can be a deciding factor depending on your comfort level with design and coding tools. As we proceed, let's analyze how these customization options may specifically impact user experience and overall functionality. When it comes to user experience, both platforms cater to different preferences and expectations. WordPress creates a familiar environment for most users, offering a standard interface that many have come to know and love. Its ease of navigation and extensive documentation make it approachable, even for novices. In contrast, Webflow's unique editor provides a fresh yet complex angle for users, enabling live design updates and instant previews that enhance creative workflows but may challenge those unaccustomed to design software. Balancing simplicity with creativity is essential in making your decision. As you consider the nuances of each platform, don't overlook the importance of customer support. WordPress boasts an extensive network of forums and user-generated content, ensuring that help is always a search away. In contrast, Webflow offers a more streamlined support experience with direct assistance options, which can be invaluable during critical project phases. Ultimately, by weighing your priorities, whether it be design, functionality, or support, you can effectively navigate the landscape of website platforms and make a choice that sets your business on a successful path. Embracing these insights will empower you to thrive online, adapting to the dynamic digital world. To learn more, visit trendsofreview.com/WordPress/Webflow.